Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing everybody how to adjust the handbrake on a Corolla. Specifically, this will be for a 10th gen Toyota Corolla from 2009 to 2013, but the actual mechanism is very similar for many generations of Corolla. The difference will be the trim that you have to remove, but it's similar, a little different on different generations, but the idea is the same. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and removing some of the trim. So looking at this area, this is where we need to get down into. So we need to remove this whole console here, at least the lower section of it. So we need to start removing some trim. Most of this just snaps in and out. On this car, these pieces snap off. I do need to take off the shift knob, and so that this will slide up and over. So I'll try to snap these off. These do just snap off, as you can see. I think that the upper ones have to come off first, but maybe not. Come up just fine. Actually, I guess the lower one clips into the upper. I couldn't remember. Like I said, it's been many a year since I've had these off. Those are off. Oh, but this just unsnapped. Yeah. Slide this out of the way. There we go. Beautiful. So after removing your piece around your gear shift, then you want to remove this piece right here. So you kind of come up to the top and give it a little tug. This just clips under here, and I might need 2 hands for this, but let's see. You kind of get your there it goes. I kind of tugged right here on the top lip and pulled up and forward. So, and there's the cover for the e-brake and cup holders and stuff. So set that off to the side. And here is the mechanism that we want right here, where my thumb is. So you'll notice there's a little nut there, and then right below it it allows us to adjust it. Let me see if I can get a better view here for you. There we go. So here's the nut on the top, so we need to loosen that, take it off, and then we can adjust this for how much adjustment we need, and then we'll put this back on this locking nut and we'll be set. It's a very easy procedure, so, and we'll go from there. All right, go ahead and loosen this guy. Oh, man, that's tight.
Okay. Get that loose. I'm just going to take it off.
Set it off to the side. So now we can adjust this. And I want to show you, because this has a lot of play in it before it starts to grab, and you can see that before it gets to the first click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a lot there. So we're gonna actually tighten this and take up some of that slack. Now when I pull it up, right away I get that first click much quicker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 is real firm now. Yeah. As I say, it's usually kind of where I think about it is kind of 5 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can get it 7. So let's go just a smidge more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. I get the 7. Okay. I think I'm pretty happy with that right there. Yeah, definitely happy with that. So, all right. Now that is where I want it, once you get it to where you're happy, then just thread that down. And there you have it. I'll adjust it up once you get that lock nut tightened down on there and you're happy with it, then you're set. So, and you know, if you're taking slack out, you're tightening this up, then you're going clockwise. If for some reason you did have to loosen, it was too tight, then you'll go counterclockwise. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I got this piece snapped back in. I kind of wiped it down and cleaned it up and slapped that back in. And now this one. So this really is an easy car to do this. So remove the gear knob, pull this piece up around your gear shift or your automatic transmission lever, and then just kind of give a tug on the front of this right here, and then if you tug from the back up here, if up and forward at the same time, then this whole piece will snap out, and then you can get to your adjusting bolt. So super, super easy. Stick that over. get it placed, and then just, there you go, just snap down. I'm just going to push that down and screw on my TRD shift knob right here. I'll be all set. So we'll sit like that. Wow. Like that. But so I'll go ahead and get that screwed down, and then the last thing, just got to put these trim pieces back on, and they just snap on also. So go ahead and get that screwed on, and then I'll snap those on and we'll be done. Alright, I got this all put back together now. So now you just gotta take your start up here and basically just put that clip right into that hole right there. Just stick it in like that. Get the others kind of semi-lined up, and then just start from the top. There you go, a couple of pushes and in it goes. So it kind of goes down as you're pushing this in. You can kind of see the orientation to it right there, which is down. There we go. Snap, crackle, pop. So that is all in and ready to go. So that is how you adjust this bad boy. So hope that helps, guys. If it does, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm always trying to show things on videos on how you do things, and hopefully it helps you guys be able to do them yourselves. So until next time, we'll see you down the road, guys.